15 must-have Tesla Model X 2022 accessories. Whether you already have a Tesla or are still looking at prices, there are a few Tesla accessories that might make your experience with the car even better. Now is the time to personalize the perfect car for you by installing the accessories that are essential, useful, and fashionable. Hey guys, welcome to our channel TechLife. In today's video, we're going to show you the top 15 Tesla Model X accessories that you must have. Sunshades. When it comes to sunshades, accuracy is of the utmost importance. Its computer-driven cutting-edge machines can make parts that fit the Model X perfectly. Sunshades are also made to slightly overlap the windshield frame to cover more area and/or give the sun visors more to hold on to. Sunshades is strong enough to stand on its own with just the sun visors, but it is also flexible enough to wrap around the rearview mirror. Drop your sun visors and unroll the sunshades across the dashboard. Roll up and tie with a special Velcro strap to store. Front cooler. With the front cooler, you can put drinks and snacks in the front of your Tesla Model X while you tailgate, picnic, or camp. The front cooler is constructed from insulated materials that allow it to maintain a cold temperature and is designed to be a custom fit for the front of your Model X vehicle. It has a leak-resistant liner on the inside, as well as an exterior zipper pocket that can be used to store anything from can openers to utensils. This will help to ensure that your front stays dry. The Mini Sound-Activated USB Disco Ball. The Mini Sound-Activated USB Disco Ball for Tesla owners make use of a small LED projector that has the capability of picking up the beat of music and displaying dancing multicolored lights throughout your interior. It will put a smile on your face, as well as on the faces of your friends, family, and other passengers. It works really well in the back seat, but you can also put it to use in the front seats if you want. The disco ball is illuminated by multicolored light that is beamed through a semi-spherical prism surface and strikes any and all surfaces that have direct line of sight to the object. From red, green, and blue LED light sources, it is capable of producing all 7 possible color combinations. Jack pads. Jack pads are a strong and hard rubber compound that ensures safety as you jack up your Tesla. These pads were designed to use with all Tesla models and are compatible with all of them. When you start to raise your vehicle, the centering cylinders that are contained within each pad will provide you with precise placement. The battery, the lower part of your vehicle, and the paint job are all protected by jack pads. They are essential for any driver who intends to use a jack on their vehicle and are required of all owners. Cubby Compartment. The Cubby Compartment for Tesla Model X is a small drawer with a lid that fits into the cubby right below the 17-inch display on the Model X. The cubby is often used by the owner to store sunglasses, wallets, IDs, parking cards, and just about any other small thing that needs to be close by. Cubby Compartment gives every Model X owner a way to hide these things from view. Pull out the drawer to see and get their things more easily and finish off the cubby space with a closed look. The Cubby Compartment's half-circle shape makes it easy to open with any finger and gives you quick access to what's inside. Model X AllWeather Interior Liners. The Model X AllWeather Interior Liners are crafted from a material called thermoplastic elastomer, which offers the highest level of protection and coverage possible. Model X AllWeather Interior Liners, in contrast to conventional floor mats, are made up of vertical walls that provide the interior carpet with the highest possible level of protection, while also making it very simple to clean. 100% recyclable and free of lead, latex, and PVC. Center console storage shelf. The Model X center consoles are a great place for owners to keep things out of sight. But the main storage box in the center console is deep, so small, frequently used items tend to get lost at the bottom and be hard to find when you need them. The CCSS lets you put small things like pens, plastic ID cards, and keys where they are always easy to reach. It is a shallow tray made of molded plastic that is made to fit along the top edge of the Model X center console storage box. Before continuing with our video, if you guys are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Pedal covers. The brake and accelerator pedals on the Tesla are important, but they tend to get lost in the space under the dashboard. Every Tesla performance car comes with brake and gas pedals made of brushed aluminum with black rubber strips that make them easy to use and keep from slipping. Even if your Tesla car isn't a performance model, you can now make your gas and brake pedals stand out. Pedal covers look and feel performance and are easy to put on. They let you give the inside of your Tesla Model X a unique look. Air mattress for Tesla. Whether you're spending the night at your favorite camping spot, taking a quick nap at a rest stop, spending the night in your Tesla on a long road trip, or just chilling, the Air mattress for Tesla Model X is an accessory that is an absolute necessity for Tesla owners who want to sleep in their vehicle. The Air mattress was designed to fit into the cargo area of the Tesla Model X. It offers a comfortable sleeping platform for 2 people and allows you to customize your sleeping setup if it is required. Cleaning supplies. Are there any accessories for cars such as cleaning supplies? Yes. The reason why Teslas don't get dirty is because they look so good. When it comes to maintaining your paint and identifying any potential problems, nothing beats a thorough hand wash. Even though you can absolutely take your Tesla to the local car wash to keep it clean, nothing beats a full hand wash. You will be able to maximize the use of your spare time with the assistance of the cleaning supplies and accessories you have on hand. In order to properly clean your Tesla, you should use an automotive shampoo and cleaning mitt, as well as a 2-bucket wash system with a mesh debris barrier. This is everything you require to complete a basic load of laundry. Snow chains. Teslas have good traction in most driving conditions, but owners who live in places where it snows a lot, like the northern climates, sometimes need a little extra help. In snowy conditions, snow chains give you a good grip and last a long time. The new improved design doesn't have a complicated attachment. Instead, it only needs one fixing point on the outside of the drive wheels and is already set up for your Model X wheel size. Tesla touchscreen protection. Anyone who has ever cracked the screen on their phone knows that it is preferable to replace the screen protector rather than the entire screen. What does it matter if the massive touchscreen that is super integrated into your Tesla breaks? If the screen on the console fails, you will no longer have access to features such as navigation, climate control, and other amenities that make driving a Tesla a pleasurable experience. We think you'll agree that screen protection that costs less than $50 is a steal when compared to the bill for replacing your Tesla touchscreen at the service center, which is $1,500. Screen protection made of matte tempered glass are great because they cut down on glare and fingerprints. Seat hoodie. Seat hoodie offers low-cost, as-needed protection for the upholstered front seats of your Tesla at an affordable price. When you get into your Tesla after a swim, a workout at the gym, or when you're covered in rain or snow, the seat hoodie will keep your front seats dry and clean. It is constructed using a high-performance microfiber fabric that can be washed in a machine and features a high-quality, soft, and lightweight design. Cyber Trash Mini Trash Bin. We've all done it. Thrown litter and trash on the floor, crumpled it up, and put it in a cup holder. Or put it on an empty passenger seat and said, yeah, I'll throw this away when I get home or to the office. But you don't. So the clean, simple interior of your Tesla starts to look like, well, you know what we mean. The Cyber Trash Container is made to hold all your trash in one place, so you can keep your car clean. Door protectors. Door protector is made to protect the inside door panel of your car from all kinds of wear and tear and damage. Durable coated polyester fabric was used to make it. The door protectors have soft binding on the edges to protect your car even more. It is easy to put on because it has 3 tabs along the top that are tucked in and slide between the window glass and the inside door panel. The protector stays in place thanks to these tabs. When not in use, they are easy to take off, fold up, and put away. Okay folks, that's it for today. If you enjoyed watching this video, give it a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, ring the bell icon so you will never miss any video.